Padadikari of the Srimant Shankardev Sangha, Shri Jayant Barua ji, Chairperson of the Pratidin Media Network, members of the jury of the Pratidin Achiever Awards, the awardees, illustrious Navratnas of Ma Bharati, and ladies and gentlemen gathered here on this illustrious evening of the Pratidin Achiever Awards, which has become no longer an event of the state of Assam, but what has become over the last decade or longer a national event which is marked on the calendar across the country. What an amazing galaxy of awardees we have seen tonight. I must at the very outset congratulate Jayanta Barua ji. For every step during this prestigious Achiever Award ceremony that he himself has detailed. Hailing from the family of Hemchandra Barua ji himself, who was a writer and a social reformer par excellence. And following in his footsteps, his father and now him, that today has made what used to be started as a weekly and a fortnightly, the largest today circulated newspaper across the length and breadth of the Northeast. You have seen in the video that was presented before us the hard work, the sweat, the toil, and most importantly, the passion with which he has worked. And for a writer, for a journalist, what is most important historically has been values, morals, and principles. And our publication, the Asamoya Pratidin, is one that has always kept those values, principles, and morals at the highest level while spreading their lamp of light across the Northeast. I must congratulate him not only for the institution that he has. हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि जो बीज बोई जाती है आज वट वृक्ष के रूप में लाखों को छाया देती है. But in addition to that, इस चीज के अतिरिक्त the only comprehensive dictionary of the Assamese language, the Hemko, which he personally handed over to 2 or 3 awardees today. In his lifetime and during his period, the first bilingual Braille dictionary in India and the first bilingual Braille grammar book in India was brought out under his leadership. So he's not only a journalist, he's not only the owner of a publication, पर अपने पूर्वजों की तरह जयंत बरुआ जी also सामाजिक ताना और बाना को बोने का कार्य इन्होंने अपने जीवन काल में करके दिखाया है. This award evening today has expositioned the exceptional talent that Assam has been a repository of for hundreds of years. From writers to thinkers to social reformers to poets to musicians to innovators to sports persons, भारत के गुलदस्ते में असम की जो सुगंध होती है वे लाजवाब होती है मेरे भाई और बहनों. The land of Bhupen Hazarika ji, the land where Tagore Sahib spent a great deal of time. And today the awardees that I feel honored to be on the stage with, across all spectrum of time, from the young, and the young are fearless. My Uma Chetri, my entrepreneurs, my Sushri Hazarika ji, who's working on 6G sitting in Canada and other parts of the world and quantum computing. And yes, it is your time. It is your time to be fearless. I sometimes feel very jealous of the youth today. और वो ईर्ष्या का भाव इसलिए आता है क्योंकि आज मां भारती अग्रसर हो चुकी है, मां भारती प्रगति के पथ पर चल चुकी है और मां भारती के अमृत काल से शताब्दी काल का समय ये अगले 21-22 वर्ष केवल भारत को परिवर्तित नहीं करेंगे, आप लिख लेना, भारत विश्व को परिवर्तित करेगा. And that is the age in which you are the youth. A country of 1.4 billion people, 70% below the age of 35. Billion people below the age of 35, 3 times the population of the United States of America, 2 times the population of Europe. That, ladies and gentlemen, is our youth dividend. And look across history. Not in the last 100 years, not in the last 500 years, in the last 2,000 to 3,000 years, whenever there has been change, जब क्रांति आई है, नौजवान उस क्रांति और उस परिवर्तन के अग्रिम पंक्ति में सदैव रहा है. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is India's time. A country that is growing at a 10-year decadal growth rate under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at close to 7% compounded annual growth rate. The world is growing at 2.5% decadal growth rate. India is growing at almost 3 times the world's rate. And my Northeast, मैं तो कहता हूं कि मेरा उत्तर पूर्वी भारत है, और इसलिए भी मैं कहता हूं क्योंकि मेरा भी इस क्षेत्र के साथ रिश्ता है. शायद आप में से कई लोग नहीं जानते हैं, मेरी बुआ, मेरी आत्या की शादी महाराज त्रिपुरा के साथ हुई थी. तो मेरा और आपका भी एक राजनीतिक या सामान्य रिश्ता नहीं है, मैं कह सकता हूं कि मेरा और आपका भी एक पारिवारिक रिश्ता है. और मैं अभी त्रिपुरा से आ रहा हूं 600 किलोमीटर का प्रवास करके, touring 4 out of the 8 districts, looking at the capacity and the capability of the Northeast. We've developed a project for oud, agar, liquid gold as they call it. उत्तर फूलबारी और आसाम के लिए 90 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट. I've just launched a project for bamboo for the 8 Northeast states, where we've tied up with our artisans and our producers, with ATP, with Amazon, with Flipkart, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called this green gold, and we want to take this green gold to the world, ladies and gentlemen. So hidden in the Northeast are jewels, jewels of nature, jewels of human potential. And the jewels of human potential we have honored today. From sports to entrepreneurism, to my brother Manoj Gogoi, who looks after those who don't have a voice, 6,000 animals in Kaziranga Park. I salute you, Manoj. To those who have given their life to aspects of art, culture, music. बरुआ जी, ये असम के नवरत्न नहीं हैं, ये भारत के नवरत्न नहीं है, ये अतिशोक्ति नहीं होगी अगर मैं कहूं कि ये विश्व के नवरत्न हैं. बर्तुकोई जी, जीतू जी, the country salutes you, the country values you. And it is very important आज के समय में क्योंकि भारत का उदय केवल आर्थिक शक्ति के आधार पर नहीं होगा. भारत का उदय भारत की आध्यात्मिक शक्ति के आधार पे भी होगा. आर्थिक शक्ति हमारी हड्डी पसली होती है, पर शरीर के अंदर जो हृदय से खून दौड़ता है, जो आत्मा में एक ज्वालामुखी की एक अलख होती है, वो भारत की आध्यात्मिक शक्ति की जीवन ज्योति है मेरे भाई और बहनों. And that philosophy is enshrined in our art, in our culture, in our music. And therefore, as you go forward and spread this lamp of light, capability, and talent across our country, I request you on three things. One, you must take on people who you can mentor. Second, you must create opportunities for others where possible. And third, most importantly, जो दरवाजे आपके लिए बंद होते थे, वो दरवाजे दूसरों के लिए आप जरूर खुलवाना. टीम एफर्ट के आधार पर 140 करोड़ जनता की क्षमता के आधार पर भारत का उदय होगा. और आज हर भारतीय को उस विकसित भारत 2047 के यज्ञ में, जैसा जब यज्ञ होता है, यज्ञ के अंत में हम सब सामान्य मानवी के रूप में आहुति देते हैं. ये विकसित भारत 2047 का यज्ञ है और इस यज्ञ में आपको, हमें, हर व्यक्ति को अपनी आहुति देनी होगी. This is a clarion call. Because today India is setting the standards across the world. We are setting the standards on technology. We are setting the standards on infrastructure. We are setting the standards on poverty alleviation. 25 करोड़ लोगों को गरीबी से ऊपर उठाना 10 वर्षों में कोई मामूली बात नहीं है. 12 करोड़ महिलाओं के घर में उज्ज्वला की योजना पहुंचाना कोई मामूली बात नहीं है. 3 करोड़ लोगों को अपना घर बसाना कोई मामूली बात नहीं है. 50 करोड़ जनधन के खाते खोलना कोई मामूली बात नहीं है. 35 करोड़ लोगों के लिए आयुष्मान भारत की योजना खुलवाना कोई मामूली बात नहीं है. ये भारत उदय का विषय है मेरे भाइयों और बहनों. और आज उसमें उत्तर पूर्वी और असम की बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है. Assam has always been the treasure house of knowledge. Assam has always been the wall that has withstood the test of time. And therefore today, all of those that have been honored, I bow my head in reverence to all of you. The years of service that you have given to your cause is not only the years of service that you've given to your cause, but also the years of service that you have given to the cause of Mother India. So Barua ji, congratulations to you. Congratulations to our awardees. And may you go from strength to strength. May Assam go from strength to strength. May the Northeast grow from strength to strength. And in that growth, may Ma Bharati also grow from strength to strength. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.